Hello and welcome to this MailAway demonstration on split test campaigns. When you set up a new campaign, you can choose to run a standard campaign where every recipient receives exactly the same email, or an A/B campaign. This demonstration explains what an A/B campaign is, why you might use it, and how it all works. A/B testing is a way of working out which of two different options will be the most effective. When used for your email campaigns, that means A/B testing can help you decide which email will be the best one to send to your subscriber list from two different options which are labelled A and B. The basic idea is that you send version A to a small number of your subscribers and version B to another small group. The results in terms of opens and clicks are measured and a winner is chosen. Then the winning version is sent out to all the remaining subscribers. A/B testing offers a simple way for you to get the most opens and clicks from your campaigns. With A/B testing, for example, you could test two different subject lines to see which one results in the most opens or clicks, or two completely different designs to see which one performs the best in terms of click-throughs. For any campaign, there are three different areas you can test: the subject line, the from name and email address, or the actual email content itself. I'm going to talk you through this now using the example of testing the subject line. So choose create a campaign. In here you have two options: to create a regular campaign or an A/B split campaign. We've also got recurring RSS, but we're going to ignore that for the sake of this video. Now my test is going to be on subject line, so I can leave that here. We could choose email content or from name. Depending on which option you choose, you'll see some extra fields appear to enter your alternate subject lines and or from bits and pieces. Or if you choose to test the content, you will get an extra step to define that content later on in the process. So instead of just importing once, you'll import twice, one for version A, one for version B. Give the campaign, so I'll go down and I'll give the campaign a name, which is just going to be split test. And then my subject lines, I'm going to test two different subject lines. So one's going to be 15% off MailAway this weekend. And then the next one's going to be save £50 off MailAway on MailAway this weekend. What I'm doing here is testing to see if a percentage rate or if a pound, an actual figure, is more effective for our clients or our base. I'm going to do MailAway and email address. So we just fill this out exactly like what we would with a normal campaign and then choose next. So I'll go through to choose my template, same as normal. Now in here I'm just going to quickly edit my template to get my right message up there. Bear with me a moment. So I've just thrown some content in there quickly, and now I'm just going to go through to the preview, check it looks okay, and say I'm happy with that. It's just some dummy text in there to give you an example. So I'm going to go through to define my recipients, again exactly the same as a normal campaign. And the next bit which is different is this define A/B split. So I'm going to choose on that. And now I choose what percentage of my database is going to perform the test. So I'm going to change this to 20% in total, just by pulling this along, so it'll be 10% on each. Now ideally my database should be slightly bigger because I haven't really got enough people in here to perform an actual test. Ideally you're looking at about 1,500 people before you start testing. At the end of the day the test is free, so you might as well go ahead and do it anyway, but you're looking at an adequate sample size to truly represent your recipient list, and 13 probably doesn't quite do it, but we'll just leave it as that for example purposes. Again, down here the next stage is to select the winner, and it's based on open rate. Because this is the subject line, it's the open rate. If it was the content, we'd be looking at the clicks or a specific click within there. Again, you can also choose what hours or how many hours you would like to wait before deciding the winner, and this is from 1 hour up to several days. So keep in mind you can always come back and manually declare a winner at any time by visiting the report. So I'm going to change this to 4 hours and then choose next. You're then taken back to the snapshot where you can check all the details before testing the campaign and scheduling as per normal. Again, you can edit over here in the normal way. Once sent, the reports will show you what version is winning, and you can easily see which version is performing better according to the measurement you chose, and you can also see the time remaining on the test. Once your winner has been decided, the remaining recipients will receive the winning version automatically, and you will see the campaign reports as normal. That's it on a split test. I hope you found that useful, and get cracking with playing with it yourself. Thank you.